Hey everybody. Okay, so I'm at the 1826 house and a lot has happened. So if you've been watching, you will know that this is the back of the house that we had to completely take off because there was rot all in it, and we had a little bit of termite damage, and so we just took it off and did the new footings and have the new foundation here, and then now the framing is already done. I'm loving this because the windows are the same over here as over here. Now we don't have the windows. We're wanting to get vintage or, old windows because this house is an 1826 house. They don't have to be that old, obviously, but we are definitely wanting to get some that kind of have a little bit of age on them. So we may change the dimensions of the windows depending on what we find at the salvage yard, because we're going to be finding a lot of our materials there. So this is the door. So we've got two windows over here. And then that's going to be like a pantry. Where that window is, that's going to walk into the kitchen, straight into the kitchen. And then right here, if you walk straight through from there, because there's going to be a door over there, and that's where we will park, is on the side of the house. You come in here, or in the front, but I haven't taken you there. And there's going to be a door right there. And then this is the door here to come to the back. And then this right here is going to be a bedroom. And so we've got the two windows again on this side. And this is going to be a bedroom. And I think that I'm going to make that back room you see into the master bedroom, and then have this as a master suite by having doors right there where those windows used to be. And then people can walk in to this room. And then this opening, I'm not really sure about this. I'm not understanding this quite yet. I'm going to have to ask what's happening here. But this is a bathroom. And that room right now, later, this could be turned into two bedrooms. If really pretty easy for less than like probably $800. We could put a wall there. And then there is a door that is going to come into that bathroom right there. But this could also be a master bath. And there's another bathroom where that room would not have a bath. I don't know if that's making any sense. One would have a master bathroom and one would not. But right now we're going to make this whole back part into a master suite. So if you come in, I'll show you this. So you come into where the doors are. And also I want you to see, let's go back here for a second before we do this and look at the roof line. It's going to change. And so I don't know how far back you have to be to see the roof line, but way back here. And so it's going to be higher, and that room is going to be larger than the last one. And we're kind of building on some square footage. So that's really cool. So I have a couple of ideas that I want to show you. So the roof line is going to be pretty. Everything's going to be even. We're going to leave those supports that are the large ones. We're going to leave those out. And we're also going to leave the hangover that is, the supporting the roof. We're going to leave that, so that you can see that. And all out here will be some kind of a courtyard, but I don't know yet. I haven't decided on that. So, okay, so this would be the back door. So you're going to come in right through here. And then, so right here, so this door is going to line up all the way through. There's going to be a washer and dryer here. And then there's going to be a wall here. So this will be like a pantry kind of room. Come right through here. This is going to be kind of like a foyer room, like a back foyer, I guess you could say, because there's a hallway all the way down to the front door. So we need some really cool front doors. You can't see it right now, but the front door is right there. So all of this is going to go. And this is going to be a wide hall. I think we're going to maybe recess this part in a little bit. I've got to talk to the builder person. I'm thinking I want bookshelves right here. That'll take a little bit of space off of the room, like a pantry, this right here that comes in through from the kitchen. But I think that it's okay. I really think that I want the foyer area here to have bookshelves. Then there's going to be a wall here, and for this bedroom, and then the door would be right here to this back suite. So you could also use it if you want to just sit back here and enjoy, you know, it could be like a gathering room. So that is what has been going on here at the 1826 house. And I'm sure the next time that I update you, it is going to be that much, you know, so much more done. And I look forward to sharing that with you. So here in the kitchen, I will go over, I don't exactly know. I know we're going to have a recessed refrigerator. We're going to have even space. I like even things, if you can't tell. I like my even windows on the outside, even space next to the refrigerators. I like, you know, evenness. And so this is already looking very beautiful. We're going to have windows all the way across the wall here. It'll take up, you know, more space, but I still feel like the light is going to be so nice. We're going to raise this, or not raising the roof, but it's going to be A-line in here. And so that's going to be beautiful. And then we're keeping the front 2 rooms the same because those were the original with this house. I hope you'll stick around. I'm going to be updating you every week. And I hope that you'll be here with me to see the progression of this space. I will talk to you soon. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this, comment to make sure that you don't miss even one of these episodes. I'll talk to you soon.